son wey dey happy so wetin dey happen?
Oh, daddy, I carry first. Daddy, see. See.
You carry? You be number 1.
Yes.
Inside 58 class. Now one you go carry. Instead of me carry 57 or 58, you go dey carry 1.
No, you can be prosecuted for that.
You be mumu.
Daddy,
Think say you dey wise.
Oh my days, you won't worry to your love.
Neighbor, come on, kiss my son. See my son, go dey carry 1. You go dey carry 1 for school. They get 58 for class. You go dey carry 1.
Excellent.
You know even if you carry 57, no say you pass. Hey! You go carry 57 at least. Only one person I pass.
He shock you.
You will end up in McDonald's.
Hey! This boy,
You will end up in McDonald's.
Daddy motion, wait now, wait. Jesus. You're picking a carry first position. Wait. As they go to that time, which position will you carry?
For my class, I didn't even we did 112. I dey carry 115.
Yeah.
115. You hear me?
You be mumu.
Easy now.
Think say you dey wise.
Hey, Jesus.
You are a mumu man.
If
You will move out of this house.
I can't.
You will move out of this house.
Move to where?
I don't care where you want to move to.
You know you back up like this. Where they go now? I like to check this your tie.
What's happen now?
Everywhere they go now, tell you.
I want to go Dubai. I want to go Dubai. Dubai, America. One year America, I want to Dubai.
Sea level.
Have you? So how far? What's happen?
What is it?
Dubai. Yeah.
If you want to go to Dubai, I bet now to look at now to look at I said if you want to go to Dubai now with bicycle, I've been with my
I know the hear word.
No, I will travel with Keke now. Your father is yours.
Where you go? Why you